Mike Helbach with Helbach Farms. We been working with FS for quite a few years, buying fertilizer, and they're a precision dealer, so we started working with them on the precision side, starting small with the planters and metered V-sets, and we have been struggling with liquid fertilizer for quite a few years, trying to find the right equipment to run it and monitor it. We went through a couple different ones. Some of the visual monitors, they work great for simple things, and then we start running different combinations of liquid. It gets dark, you can't see them, and we go to the next, some of the Bluetooth monitoring. Again, it works okay, but it's still not as precision as the VApplieds have been. VApplieds is, you can actually know what's putting it on. Each individual row is monitored, so when it plugs, we know exactly what it plugs. The old way, it would go down a little bit, say 10-15%, and then we still didn't know it was plugged. With the VApplieds, we know right immediately. We've had instances where the sod has come up and pushed up against the nozzle or the hose, and we can tell right immediately that it's not, it's not putting it on, it's just not doing the right job. So overall, been very happy with it. No streaking in our potato fields. Where you get streaking with the liquid if you don't see it right away. How much yield loss that could be, yield loss potential. So trying to put consistent fertilizer on in the least amount as we have, what we can, especially for the input costs. We really feel it's very beneficial for us.